Howdy folks, yes I am back on your news feed, and today, using just a broom handle and a belt, I'm going to show you how to correct one of the biggest flaws I see people doing when exercising. Now, a lot of people when exercising don't hold themselves correctly. Their back is in a compromised position, they risk inefficiency of the exercise and a greater risk of injury. Now what I'm going to do today is show you guys how to maintain what's known as a neutral spine, putting your spine in a safe and efficient position to exercise safely. Now there are two ways in which I'm going to show you how to get into and then maintain a neutral spine, the first of which is using a wall.
So the first thing you want to do is place your heels up against the wall, flatten your bum, your shoulders and your head to the wall looking straight ahead. Then pull your shoulder blades back, take one step forwards, and there is your neutral spine.
Now secondly, we're going to use a belt and a very fetching broom handle. Now what you want to do is take your broom handle, place it on your back, and then take your belt and fasten that broom handle in place using the belt. As you can see, broom handle is now on there and I look like something out of a bloody Marvel movie. Now, what you want to do is make sure that that broom handle maintains a connection with in between your shoulder blades, your butt, and then also your head. Now what we're doing here is we're keeping all 3 points of your spine in line. Head, shoulders, and glutes. Okay, so it's contact point at all 3 points. So what I want you to do is, using a soft knee, lean over slightly and maintain connection between all 3 of those points. Don't allow any point to leave the broom handle. Okay, once you've leant over, that is your neutral spine position. So from this position we can perform anything like a bent over row, a deadlift, or of course it's a very good position to maintain a squat as well. Now it's a difficult thing to master even using the tool of a broom handle and a belt. So what I recommend you do is use that initially as a guide and then begin moving yourself into a position of a neutral spine and manipulating the angle at your hips, leaning over, leaning up, etc. Practice it, then remove the broom handle, remove the belt, and begin trying to do it with someone holding the broom handle in place. They can give you cues as to where they feel like the contact is missing. Okay? Then you progress into doing it without the broom handle, and then get into the habit of doing that and get into the habit of finding that position naturally without needing to use any kind of apparatus. That way, when you head into any kind of exercise, be it in an exercise class, be it in the gym, or in day-to-day life, you are putting your spine in a very safe position and a non-compromised position so you can perform the exercise efficiently, safely, and you're not going to fuck your back up in the process. Thank you very much for watching folks. Do give the video a share and I will see you on the next one with your nice safe backs.